Hi, my name is Paul Schifferdecker with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'd like to thank you for joining us today aboard this 2016 Sea Ray 300 SLX. With their beautiful black hull and red boot stripe, the 300 SLX is one of the best 30-foot boats on the water. With the extended swim platform, the actual length overall is 32 feet. So 29.5 plus the extended swim platform, a 9-foot 8-inch beam. She weighs in at 7,700 pounds. The design of this boat, the naval architecture, the running strakes, the chines, again makes this one of the best riding boats for the Lake of the Ozark chop. You got to come try this one out. There aren't a lot of these available on the market. This has only 88 hours on it. So, and we're going to put infinity seagrass floor in the boat. This is a great boat for coving out. These seats pop up and turn into aft-facing chaise loungers. Built-in coolers, port and starboard, self-draining into the bilge and then overboard with a full sun pad aft. Again, this seat does exactly the same as the starboard. Very easy, very quick, very simple. Storage galore on this boat, as well as seating. Here on the starboard freeboard, instead of a wet bar, we have the additional jump seat, which works out very, very nice. Here on the port side, we have an aft-facing lounge, a forward-facing lounge, or the conventional back-to-back seats. Chart plotter, DTS digital throttle, double wide, helm seat, push button start. Listen to the sound of that. Paul Schifferdecker, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Give us a call, 573-525-1129. She's loaded, all ready to go. We'd love to take you for a ride. Have a good rest of your day.